Hello guys, so welcome back to Hackers Colony Tech, and this is Azhar. So guys, today's in this video I'm introducing HCO Nexus, a lightweight recon and risk analysis framework for ethical hackers and cybersecurity research, built to run entirely in Termux on Android without root. I'll demonstrate how it works, explain its red and blue team perspective, and show how Android can be used as a practical cybersecurity platforms in 2026. So guys, this video is only for educational purposes, and guys, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, do like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, we'll open up the Termux. Now once we open the Termux, we'll type the first command, that is apt update, and an apt upgrade space -y, and we'll hit on enter. What this will do, this will update and upgrade all the packages in your Termux. So it might take sometimes 10 to 15 seconds. You need to wait and have some patience until it's done. Now once this is done, we'll install the required packages. So for that, we'll type pkg install git curl whois space -y, and we'll hit on enter. This will automatically install the required packages in your Termux. Now once we're done with this, we'll go for the next command, that is git clone. So guys, I have given the git clone link in the description. Go to the description, copy the link, come to the Termux, type git space clone space, and then paste the link and hit on enter. And guys, in case if you face any problem while running the tool, anything, you can simply comment down, or you can directly join our WhatsApp Telegram group. I have given the group link in the description. Go to the description, click on the link, and join a group where you will be able to get instant help right away, and even you'll be able to learn more about ethical hacking for free. So git space clone, then paste the link and hit on enter. And it will take a while to clone in your Termux. Now once this is done, we'll go for the next command, cd HCO Nexus, and then we'll hit on enter. After that, we'll type chmod space +x space star HCO Nexus.sh, and then we'll hit on enter. Now the tool is fully installed in your Termux. Now to run the tool, simply we have to type bash HCO Nexus.sh, and then we'll hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter, you will be able to see menu. So in the menu, you can see there will be 6 options: full recon scan, subdomain enumeration, port scan, security, header check, red team, blue team. So from here you can try all one by one, but for the timing I'm going to show you with any 2. So first I'm going to go with 1. Now once I type here 1, it's asking me to target domain. So here you can type any website for which you want to do bug bounty hunting or research. So example, I'm going to show here google.com. And once I hit on enter, you can see it will show resolving IP, and then it will give you all the information. So Google is basically running on 142.250.206.164, and it will give you more information. So wait for a while. It might take some time depending on the websites that you want to scan. Okay, so it might take some time, so wait for some time until it's done. And in the meantime, guys, if you're interested in learning more about ethical hacking, you can join our group. I have given the group link in the description. Go to the description, click on the link, and join a group where you'll be able to learn more about hacking for free. Ethical hacking for free. So it might take a time. Let me just skip this one for now, okay? So give me a moment. I've just skipped this one for now because it's scanning. It might take maybe 2 or 3 minutes. So I've just skipped that one. I skipped this one, and I'm gonna show you again running on the next command. Okay, so I have typed bash HCO Nexus, and then I have pressed on enter. Now here you will be getting the same menu. Okay, so I run the tool again. So here I'm gonna show you with red team number 5. You can try all one by one, but for timing we're just gonna show you with one all the number 5 one, that is a red team mode. And here I'm again trying with google.com, and then as soon as I hit on enter, you can see red team view simulation resolving IP scanning, and you can see it has already scanned all this, and you can see here resolving IP scanning ports, risk level low. So Google is fully secured like this. Also you can check for any websites. Now you can see meter attack mapping, and it has given all the information. So you can see exploit public facing application risk, and here you can see this report has already been saved to your file in termux.com, or like a com.termux. that will be a file in your phone, in your Android phone. You can go over there and you can get this report, and the report will be saved with the name HCO Nexus report www.google.com.text. And guys, I just want to let you know one thing above, so later time you won't complain. I have typed here the spelling that is wrong, okay, and that's also a website. It's Google, but I have typed here GGOGLE, so do not get confused with that. Okay, so guys, video was still here only. If you face any problem, you can join a group, or you can comment, and I'll be able to help you with that. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.